I told Frank, I said, you can't come out here running like an idiot. It's been snowing. What does he do? I'm lucky he didn't slide right into the swimming pool. Came out here, slipped. Of course, Sparky's over here feasting on snow. Sparky, don't eat any yellow snow. Look at how delicate and tiny his little footprints are in the snow. Frank, nobody wants to see your nose. Those big ones are Frank's footprints. It's been snowing steadily for the last few hours here now. Still got the slide thing going on with the broom nobody ever puts away. And we're starting to get a real nice accumulation. Oops, that's a pole. Especially out by the gazebo.